Good afternoon. It is March 9th, Saturday. $12:45. Okay. But here is that part from the large television. I'll get over there momentarily, but this is the big main plug-in piece. Now let me get in there closer. Turn on the light. Swing this around. There's a relay. There's another relay. There's another relay. There's where the main plug plugs in, right here. There's your flyback. This is what powers up the tubes. I got it. I have it safety covered right here. I don't want to get jolted by that. That thing has more power than the power station. And then here is from the focus control. But this is where the noise is coming from. These capacitors are nice and clean. Okay, I'll flip it over and show you the back. Okay, I'll zoom back out. Okay, this is what it looks like on the inside. Those are the wires that are left. This is what the flyback plugs into right here. If you're wondering, there's the cord that plugs into that device, and here's all your AV control, your inputs, your outputs. You got a headphone jack, you got a S video, you got your video port sound left and right channel, and then you have your digital, you have DVD, you have digital television. See, as you can see right there, it's a terminal board. There's a Toshiba part and a Samsung. There's your tubes.
You read that?
Whoop. Let's see if I wanted to take off the piece and refocus the lens, which I don't want to. All I was worried about is the power supply. But here I'm going to go around the front of the unit. See your speakers here, a tweeter, the bass, the air equivalence. There's your power, your TV video. And get right down there. There's a timer. Well, that's just a light. Tells you it's coming on. There's your channel up, channel down, volume. Turn it down for volume. Turn it up for what? There's your menu. TV video. Here's some more ports. S video, video, left and right channel. Apparently, one of the cords came that's right here. And there. And this is on wheels. And yes, they used to have these in the school classrooms. I'm not sure how many schools still have the large ones, but they've probably gone into the flat screens like this. But again, and this is the other television I said I was working on. I'll put out another video once this one right here is all set and finished. And the same for this one.
That's why I